If you get 15 minutes, I got a really good shoulder workout for you. So the shoulder workout, you're gonna need 2 dumbbells, okay, something you can press overhead, and you're also gonna need a chair or a bench. There is 3 movements. The movements are gonna be 5 sets. You're gonna do 40 seconds of work, 20 seconds of rest between your movements. That will total 15 minutes, okay? First movement is going to get started with a kneeling shoulder press. So you're gonna be here, you're gonna rotate, press up, and make sure your elbows and everything are locked out overhead. The kneeling position does not really matter as long as you have one leg out, one leg is back, okay? This helps you and prevents you from moving your torso. That's the first movement. You'll do that for 40 seconds, then switch to the next one. Next one is going to be an alternating lateral raise. So if you have heavy dumbbells and you can't do this, what you're gonna do is use your hips. So you're gonna be here, and you're gonna raise up your dumbbells and do a lateral lift. And I'm gonna do that for 40 seconds. Then I'm gonna have a 20 seconds rest. Then I'm gonna grab my chair. I'm gonna do an alternating push-up, lifting up one arm. So here, and I'm gonna alternate, and if you can't do those, you can do them on your knees too. And that's gonna be for 40 seconds. Rest 20 again, and then you're gonna repeat that 5 sets, 15 minutes. Go for it.